The ultimate top 10 credit repair tips. Tip number 1. Start rebuilding now. Opening new accounts after a period of bad credit is the best thing you can do for your FICO scores. Tip number 2. Become an authorized user. Ask a friend or family member with good credit history to add you to one of their credit cards as an authorized user. Tip number 3. Phase out store cards. Pay off your store cards as your budget allows. Tip number 4. Open an installment account. Consider opening an installment account to add breadth to your credit profile and loft to your FICO scores. Tip number 5. Manage revolving balances. If you want your FICO scores to behave, you must manage your credit card balances right. It is simple. If your balances go up, your scores will go down. And if you reduce your balances, your scores will rise. Tip number 6. Limit credit inquiries. Credit inquiries lower your FICO scores. The impact of a single inquiry is small and will fade fairly quickly, but credit inquiries will continue to show for 24 months. And many lenders will deny a loan application for excessive inquiries, regardless of your score. Be sparing with your applications. Tip number 7. Confront collections. If you have active collections, you should have a strategy to deal with them. Under the FDCPA, you have 30 days from the receipt of a collection letter to validate the debt. Tip number 8. Professional report proofreading. There may be many opportunities to clean up errors on your reports. Credit reporting errors come in all shades of subtlety. Most people will spot the obvious, but there may be other more subtle compliance issues that will deliver a significant FICO score boost. We suggest consulting an expert. Tip number 9. The art of the dispute. Getting results from credit bureau disputes is an art. It is not enough to send letters and hope for the best. Your campaign must be organized, your follow-up must be timely and relevant, and you must stick with it. Tip number 10. Save money. Open a savings account and make a regular, manageable contribution. You know it is important to make your payments on time, but unexpected events have a way of popping up. A savings account will provide a buffer in the case of emergency, and a wonderful feeling of security that can make every day feel good. You watched the ultimate top 10 credit repair tips. For further great info, visit www.instantcreditrepairguide.blogspot.com.